It's Monday, July 28th, 2025, and here's your U.S. News Roundup in 5 minutes. Segment 1, U.S.-EU Trade Deal and Trump meets UK PM. The U.S. and the European Union have signed a new trade agreement slashing tariffs by half, from 30% to just 15%. In return, the EU has pledged over $600 billion in U.S. investments and committed to purchasing more than $750 billion in American energy products through 2028. Meanwhile, former President Donald Trump met British Prime Minister Keir Starmer at his Turnberry Golf Resort in Scotland. They discussed trade, Gaza, and steel tariffs. Trump also announced $60 million in humanitarian aid for Gaza and urged NATO allies to contribute more. Segment 2. Epstein scandal sparks DOJ. Crisis of controversy continues over the Jeffrey Epstein files. The Department of Justice released a heavily redacted memo confirming Epstein died by suicide, but critics accuse the agency of a cover-up. Tensions are rising within the DOJ and FBI, with calls for full transparency and a public release of client lists growing louder. Segment 3. National Security and Violence. In Michigan, a man has been charged with terrorism after stabbing 11 people at a Walmart. Authorities say the suspect had planned the attack in Grand Traverse County. Meanwhile, a severe heat wave is sweeping across the Midwest and South, with over 130 million Americans under heat advisories. Emergency services are on high alert. Segment 4. Markets, tech, and AI markets opened slightly higher on news of the EU trade deal. Bitcoin fell below 199,000, while bond yields and oil prices ticked up. In tech, Tesla just signed a $16.5 billion deal with Samsung to produce next-gen AI chips at a new plant in Texas. And Alibaba unveiled its new Quark AI smart glasses, featuring real-time translation, voice control, and music playback, aimed at rivaling Meta's Ray-Bans. Finally, Nike stock jumped nearly 4% after JP Morgan upgraded its rating, citing strong forecasts for the rest of the year. Closing line. That's your U.S. News Recap for July 28th. Like and subscribe for more daily briefings, and let us know in the comments which story caught your eye. See you tomorrow.